Hello everyone and welcome to Art with Mr. Pe. Today we're going to create patterns. We need to prepare our art materials. For today, we will need a tissue roll. Find this at home if you have an empty tissue roll. We will need a pencil, brush, and watercolor. Also for our watercolor, we will need our tub of water and a tissue. Are you ready to start? Great. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Now let us start. First, we will use this to be our template. What shape do you see? That's right. We will trace the circle shape inside. We will trace it again and again and again and again. Because patterns are arrangement of things that repeat. So we have to repeat this again and again and again. Pattern are arrangement of things that repeat in a logical way. So we are going to arrange them nicely. Are you ready? Okay. To trace, what we need to do is hold the tissue roll firmly and then trace inside like this. Do we trace outside? No, we put the pencil inside and trace. Okay? Make sure that your pencil is longer than the tissue roll. Okay? Because otherwise, if your pencil is too small, you cannot trace inside. It will be difficult for you. And we will hold the pencil at the very end of the pencil like this. And then we will trace. Are you ready? Let us start to trace. I will trace here. So I will show you how I trace them. You have to hold it firmly onto the art book, onto your drawing book, and then look at my pencil. It's at the edge, it's at the rim of the tissue roll, and I'm going to trace a nice circle. Let's see what it looks like. There. Now we're going to do this again and again and again. We're going to repeat tracing this circle until we're finished tracing in the whole art book. Okay? Again, how do we do it? We do it by putting the pencil at the rim and then tracing around. There. I'm gonna place this beside here and put my pencil inside, hold it firmly to the art book and trace around. Oh, this one looks like a different kind of circle. Maybe because I squeezed. You see, when you squeezed it, it will look like an oval. When you firmly hold it into the art book, maybe you can accomplish a nice circle. Let's try again on this side. Hold it firmly. If you notice, I am putting it beside the circle. Hold it, trace, remove. Put it beside the circle. Hold it, trace around, remove. And we will do it repeatedly. Put it beside the circle, hold it, trace, remove. Now we will put it below the first circle we made. From here, we will put it down here. Okay? Hold it, trace it, remove. Put it beside the circle, hold it, trace it, remove. Beside the circle, hold it, trace it, remove. Oh, I'm getting better at making the circles. What about your circles? Place it, trace it, remove. Place it, trace them, remove. Place it, trace them, remove. Now we're gonna do it again. This time, one last row, okay? Place it, trace it, remove. Place it near the circle, hold it, trace it, remove. We are gonna do it again and again because patterns are arrangement of shapes that repeat. So it has to be repeated all over our art book. Hold it, trace, remove. Place it, hold it, trace, remove. Place it, hold it, trace, remove. Lastly, place it, hold it, trace it, remove. Good job, everyone. Now, I think I am able to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many circles did you make? Good job. Now it's time for us to use the watercolor. Prepare your water tub, your tissue. This tissue is to wipe with your brush when you want to change color. And the watercolor. I'm gonna place the watercolor here, there. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip my brush into the water, and then I'm gonna pick a color. When you dip the brush into the water, make sure you remove, make sure you remove the excess water. Remove, remove. Dip, remove, remove. And then, choose the color that you want. I would choose a color red. Count, if your watercolor is dry, just like what I'm using, you can count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you start to color. When we color, we do a round stroke. Painting around, see? A round stroke. Okay? Now get more water. Remove, remove. Get more paint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This time, from here, counterclockwise, go into the left round. There. Now I can color inside. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Color inside. You see how it has a bright color? What happens if you don't count to 10, if your watercolor is dry like this? Then you will have a pale color. Now I'm gonna wash my brush so that I can change colors. Gonna make it dry onto the tissue. Gonna dry it here. And then get water, remove, remove. And then this time I'll do with orange. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see. Clockwise, around. Oh, you see? It's pale. Look at what happened. It's not the right orange that I need. I'm gonna dip more water, remove, remove, and get more paint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe I can count 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see. Now this is a different orange. Do you see the difference? Now I'm gonna paint inside. Remove, remove. And then I'm gonna make it dry to remove the excess orange. I'm gonna get water, remove, remove. Now, which color would you want to choose? You can choose any kind of color that you like. I'm gonna choose a yellow. I'm gonna get more water. Yellow. Oh, I forgot to remove. That's why look at my yellow color. It's so wet. See? Now I'm going to color this part yellow. From here, going to a clockwise, going round. Ready? Round. Get more colors. Get more yellow and paint inside. There. Now, what color should I choose next? Maybe I would choose a green color. I'll get more water. Remove. And I will color them green. Ready? Clockwise. Round. Get more water. Get more paint. I forgot to remove again, and look. It's dripping with, it's like a pool of green water. See? Then I'm gonna color inside. What color did you use? If you can see, I'm trying to use the rainbow color. Red, orange, yellow, and green. What's next? Blue, indigo, last one's violet. Oh, I don't have a space for violet. So maybe I will put blue here and violet here. Or purple. Let's see. This one is the color blue. What does it look like? Clockwise. I don't have any color yet. I'll get more water. Remove. Blue. There. Now I have the blue. Get water. Paint inside. Now, let's use this. I don't know what color this is, but let's try. Maybe this is indigo. Let's see. Maybe this is a different kind of blue. What does it look like? Oh, I think this one is indigo. There. Now I'm going to repeat. We're finished with the first lane. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, circles. Now let's repeat them because again, a pattern are arrangement of things repeated in a logical way. So here, I'm going to use again the red, going around, and then color inside. Wow, I like this red. And then wash my brush, get orange, and then around, and then color inside. Wash my brush. Maybe I would try it. Wash my brush, remove, get yellow. Color. Wash, remove, dry, get water, remove, green. We paint around, paint inside. Wash, remove, dry it, get the another water, remove. Let's go for blue. And then paint around the shape, and then paint inside. Wash, remove, dry, get water, remove, indigo, and then paint around. You can also experiment when this is dry to draw different things on the circle. I am excited to see how you would like to design each circles. Wash it, dry it, get some water. Now let's go back to red. And then I'm gonna paint around. Wash it, dry it, remove the excess paint, get water. Let's go for orange. How to mix orange? To mix orange, you need red and yellow. And then we paint inside. Now we will get yellow. And then we paint inside. Now we'll get green. Counting, getting more paint, painting around the shape, and then paint inside. Wash, remove the excess paint on the tissue, get some water, go for blue, get more paint, 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 color around, and then color inside. Wash, wash, remove, and get indigo. Last one, and we're almost finished. Painting around, and then paint inside. Now we were able to make a pattern. I'm gonna wash my brush. I'm gonna dry it. Remember not to put your brush to stay here when you're finished. Don't put your brush like this for so long. You have to remove it. Remove, and dry. There. Now we're finished. We have made our pattern using the tissue roll. Did you enjoy the art class? Great. See you soon. Bye.